Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Good Morning America Deal of the Day box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived, and I do need to say thank you so much, Julie, for telling me that they were doing this day. Just a few days ago, she had told me that they were doing the Good Morning America Deal of the Day box again, because I did get one, I believe it was last year, and when I went over there, it wasn't time yet. It was like a little bit beforehand, so once I ordered it, I went to go back to the site to screenshot it, and by the time I was done screenshotting it so I can post it for you guys that it was now available, they were already sold out. Like literally all I did was place my order and go right back in, and they were already sold out. That's how quick they go. So again, thank you so much, Julie, for telling me that they were available so I could at least snag one to show you guys what's all inside. This box is $81. It has free shipping, and it has a retail value of $508. That's right. $508 is what everything is supposed to be inside. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Now, it's not like a mystery box because they literally list every single item and show you a picture of everything that is going to be inside. So you already know what's going to be in it. But it's different when you get it in your hands. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like right there. And there's a little sneak peek to the inside. So let's see what $508 value we have sitting right here. So let's just start going through. This one right here says Teeth Whitening GLO Vials, Fast and Easy Brush On White Gels. And there's three different packets in here. So there's 3 in there for 3 different treatments. And there's that. And there's that. So we have a teeth whitening with 3 different treatments inside. We have my favorite, which is Spongel. I always love my Spongel. This one is in, Bulgarian Rose. So I'm sure this is gonna go in a future giveaway because I can already smell that lovely rose scent. So as much as I love Spongel, I don't like rose. So this will go for one of you guys, but it smells like rose. So then next we have is Fifth Medicine, and it says Cosmopolitan Pomegranate and Grapefruit. But what are you? There's the packaging. Oh, it's a candle. It does kind of smell good. It has a weird kind of scent to it. Maybe it's the grapefruit. It's probably the grapefruit. Grapefruit has that distinctive scent that I don't really care too much for, but there is a 2 wick in there. So here is a candle. So we have a candle. Next we have, it says Power Up Liquid Eyeliner by Butter London. Directions for use: shake well before use. So then it's probably a liquid liner. So this will go to one of you guys as well because I don't use liquid liner, but there's the packaging. So that will go right back in its box. Next we have is Baby Foot Exfoliation Foot Peel. And this is lavender scented. Oh my goodness, there's my other nemesis right there, is lavender. And is this only one application? Is there one set in here? 1 pair of booties are included. So it should peel your feet to make them baby butt smooth. I'm not sure about this particular brand. There's been brands that I've used and they don't do anything whatsoever. And then I've had a very few brands that literally peel everything on my feet. So interested to see which one this one's going to do, but I will definitely try it out. So then next we have, it looks like a pair of sunglasses, and these look just like a cheap, being honest, a cheap pair of sunglasses. So I'm not even going to be excited about them, but I will show you because they came in this kit. So this is what they look like. They're all brown. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these had like a $35 value or something. I mean, like I said, they're not expensive whatsoever, but they are a pair of glasses, and they say Foster Grant on them. And that's what they look like. So you have a pair of glasses that you can toss in your car, in your bag, or whatever you want to do with them. But there's a pair of sunglasses. Now we have is hair scrunchies. So there's 3 different ones of those. And this says aid through trade, the original roll-on bracelet. Okay, I've never heard of a roll-on bracelet, but here's that. And okay, so it's literally not stretchy at all. I guess you just literally roll it on, but I'm not gonna get this stuck. Well, here we go. Wait. Oh, wow. It actually rolled all the way on. It is very, very small for me though. So let me try to take this off without breaking it. Okay. So there we go. There is a little bracelet and it comes in this little pouch. Okay, so the next item is this right here. It looks like it's by a brand Canvas, and I'm not into yellow gold whatsoever, so I will go ahead and save this for one of you guys. I don't know if this is an actual normal necklace. I think it is, but on the back it shows where they, I guess, sell jewelry that holds onto your mask. So I don't know if this is a standard necklace and they're just showing you that they have these decorative ones to hold your mask on, or if that's what this is, because I'm not going to open it, but there's that. And it looks like there's another jewelry item. I'm never excited about the jewelry items because my skin is super, super sensitive. So I'll never wear what they send anyways, but these are actually super cute. The posts are all bent. That sucks. I don't know why they would do that, but they're little moons. Like the posts are literally bent. Let me show you. So they have little moons, which is adorable. And you guys know I love my sun, moon, and stars. And then look at that. It says, wow. It's supposed to be straight and it's already like completely bent. Both of them are bent. The actual, the posts are completely bent. And it doesn't say what type of material these are made out of. It just says sterlingforever.com. Oh, lead and nickel free. So I know I wouldn't be able to wear them even if they were straight and I could put them in my ear. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with these because they'll make my ears infected, but there's that. So I'm not even really excited about anything in this box yet. Like, at all. What did I spend $80 on? So the next thing says Nurse Jamie Beautify Skin, Hair, and Nails Herbal Supplement. Has 14 packets that weigh 3.2 grams each. What is this? This formula helps to give your skin a youthful glow and helps keep your hair and nails healthy and strong. Directions: mix 1 packet into 8 to 12 fluid ounces of tea, coffee, or water, or mix it into your favorite shake or smoothie. Use 1 packet a day. So if there's 14, that gives you like half of a month. And this is what the packet inside looks like. And you would just pour this into whatever your liquid that you were drinking is. And yeah, so we have that. Next we have is a spatty lip. I don't even use lip products, let alone to get to the very last damn drop out of the container. Like that would never happen. So I'll just go ahead and set this in a future giveaway and maybe one of you guys will enjoy scraping out the last bit of your lipstick or your lip gloss. I mean, I guess you won't waste any that way, but there is a lip spatty. I remember seeing on Shark Tank, the Spatty Daddy or whatever. Maybe that's from the same company or it's the same concept anyway. Okay, so the only thing that I know for a fact that I was really excited about getting, which I know was more than $80, was was this right here, which is, this is step 3. Great, because I don't have step 1 or step 2, but this is step 3 Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. So this is the reason why I bought this whole box. And then on the inside, oh, that's a different package. I guess you push it down on this. Yeah, that's weird. I've never seen one like this for a cream. Yeah, I've never seen a night cream pump out like that. That's a cool little container. It's a big size too. So, night cream, huh? All right, so the one item that I'm excited about, which would be right there. All right, so then now we have is a Elemis product. It's a peptide 4. This is a day cream. So you have a sample size of a day cream. Next we have is Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick Broad Spectrum SPF 15. And it looks like this is in the color Original Pink. It's pretty packaging. It's like a gunmetal and it's pretty heavy. It feels of quality for sure. Oh, and it twists. Oh, look at you. And that's what it looks like. It's like a flat. No, it looks weird, but there's this right there. This is a really nice package though. The package feels of quality, that's for sure. Oh, twist. So there's that guy. Now we have as a hair product. This is a product by Wen. It says 613 by Chaz Dean. And it says SPF 20, dry oil, intensive treatment spray, lemon, rosemary, and vanilla bean. And it does come with the spray top to switch out the top of it. And this one just says that it is a dry oil intensive therapy spray. It's a lightweight sunscreen to help protect your skin from the sun. Oh, so it's not for your hair? I was gonna spray it in my hair. Infused with extracts and essential oils of lemon, rosemary, and vanilla bean. Dry oil helps to improve the look and feel of your skin with the added benefit of vitamin K, amino acids, and peptides. Okay, so this is just for your skin. So that's cool. When I'm outside working, I can just spray this on me and hopefully it'll help me out. I'm outside like in my garden, that kind of thing. So that's cool to have like a sunblock. Then we have is Cover FX Gold Rose Bar Highlighting Palette. And the inside, there's the front. The back does go over the colors. And then the inside, there is a large mirror right on the top. And then there is the palette. Very pretty colors. So we have a Cover FX highlighting palette. And then the last product in this box, you guys, is Recovery Foot Therapy Heated Boot Treatment. Relieves sore muscles and joints, increases circulation and range of motion. Quick and easy boot application. 1 pair of boots. 4 times use, 1 size fits all. What in the world? Heat for 2 minutes, reuse up to 4 times. Use once a week or as needed. 1 size fits most. So you use it for 2 minutes and then it's like this big old package here. So, oh, you put it on the microwave or in the stove top. You really heat it. So it tells you the different ways to heat them up and then they can be reused up to 4 different times once per week. So it'll last you 1 month, 1 application per week in this box. Never heard of that before. So that is everything that we got, you guys. Again, it was $81, free shipping. That is exactly what I paid. And it has a $508 value. I'm going to tell you, I do not see a $500 value. I'm sure they retail it at that. But just looking at these products that I have in front of me, there's no way I would value all of these for over $500. So we have a Recovery Foot Therapy 1 boot system. We have a Cover FX highlighter. We have 14 packets in here for a hair, nails, and skin vitamin. We have a sunscreen. We have bent earrings. Oop. And now they literally just came off. it literally just like came right off of the thing. Will it go back on? Like, how did this just fall off? Whatever. So there's a bent pair of earrings. You have a lipstick spatula to get every little drop of lipstick out. You do have an actual lipstick. You have and I think it's supposed to be all full size, so I don't know how they're calling this a full size because this is definitely not a full size item. There's this, there's this, there's the scrunchies, there's this bracelet, glasses, foot peel, a candle, a liquid eyeliner, sponge gel, teeth whitening, and the Murad product. And that is everything. This is the only product that I'm excited about, and then I have a box full of stuff that I'm not going to use. So you guys comment down below, let me know, do you see a $508 value in this right here? Does this look like a $508 value to you? Do you think I at least got my $81 though out of it? I mean, I feel I do because there's a lot of products in here. That's the point of getting these. I mean, I saw what was on there, so I knew a lot of the products would be going to future giveaways, which I'm okay with because it's a win-win. If it's not for me, then it's for you. So there you go. And yeah, so go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you again, Julie, for giving me that heads up and letting me know so I was able to snag this guy. And yeah, so that is everything, you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.